Hi there, I am going to do an unboxing of our kids cookie baking set. This is a product that Pampered Chef put out that they put a lot of thought and effort into. They got a bunch of kids into the test kitchen and watched them and worked with them as they were cooking and baking, and they really paid close attention to how they used the tools and got their feedback. So these products are kid designed, and I'm going to start with whatever's in the box first because I literally haven't opened this yet. So first, we have our cookie cutter set. These are a set of emoji cookie cutters. They're round and they'll make about a 3-inch cookie. They stack together for easy storage, but every design on here was drawn out by kids and designed by them and incorporated into the cookie set. So you'll see they're really, really cute emojis, and your kids are going to have a lot of fun making cookies with these. Oh, that's a sad-faced one. So it's a great way for your kids to play with their feelings, to talk about how they feel, when they feel certain feelings, and just basically have fun decorating with these. So that's the first thing in this kids baking set. Every product you buy with Pampered Chef is going to come with instructions on the best way of using them. Next, we have the measuring cup set. I have read about this, but not used it. This one looks like the instructions are on the bag, so you're going to want to keep that. But this is cool. This comes with twist ties. I need to untwist this. It comes with a 3-cup liquid measuring cup, and then a set of dry measures as well. And of course, they're not going to make this quick and simple for me to show you on the video, so pardon me as I fumble a little bit, but it is well packed and well put together. So, these will stack all together, as you just saw. As I mentioned, this is for liquid measure, and it goes right up to 3 cups. It's easy to read. I don't know if you can see it there, but it is easy to read, and the kids will be able to use that just fine. And then it's the dry measure. So there is a 1 cup, a 1/2 cup, a 1/3 of a cup, and a 1/4 cup. Now, when you're working with kids and baking, sometimes they may be too young to understand fractions, but they will understand. This is the Papa cup, the Mama-sized cup, the big sister, little sister, or depending on your family makeup. Make it a fun way so they can remember what it is that you want them to help you measure with, and they can grab the right measuring utensil for that. So find interesting names, but Papa, Mama, Big Brother, Baby Sister, whatever your family composition is, it's a fun way to work with kids in the kitchen. The other thing when you are playing with measurements, you can do some math with them. You can take a bowl and measure 1 whole cup of liquid and put it in a container. Then you can take another measurement, like the 1/3, and ask how many scoops does it take to fill the 1 cup measuring cup. And they are going to see that it takes 3 scoops, and each time you're going to measure it out. So 1, 2, 3, and you'll be having, soon they'll be adding those fractions together. It was 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. So this is actually the halves. I grabbed the wrong one, but you get the idea. You know, I'm not perfect, but I am showing you the general idea. Okay, so there are those measuring cups, the wet measuring cups. This I've heard a lot about, and I think is going to be great. This is a large mixing bowl. It's really lightweight. And what you're going to, again, it has the directions. What you're going to love about this is that it is lightweight. So often our glass mixing bowls or stainless steel mixing bowls are really heavy for the kids. This comes with a really nice sized handle, and what the test kitchen discovered is that kids wanted a way to pick up a bowl and pour from it. So this allows their one hand on one side, a grip on the other. It's lightweight, and they'll be able to mix and pour in it really quite easily. They also get this rubber spatula that's really quite cute. See, I've had the advantage of looking at this online to know what it was coming in the set. But it comes with a really cool funny face. I don't know if you can see that. Now, when kids are stirring, there's a couple of different stirring methods that you can teach them to make sure they're incorporating everything into the batter. You know, you can teach them the lawnmower scraping everything off the bottom kind of stir. You can teach them the roller coaster stir, where they're incorporating more air into it. You can teach them the tornado stir when you're really wanting to mix something quickly. There's different ways of describing the stirring motion that you're wanting them to do to make sure they get everything incorporated in the batter. So that's our mixing bowl and stir, and they also have this small nylon spatula, and I love this. This is really good on all your non-stick bakeware, so you're not going to damage the surface of anything. I use mine a lot with, you know, getting the brownies out of the pan, or getting the pieces of whatever it is on my non-stick surface. You know, I even use it for flipping eggs because it seems like a really nice size for that. But this is a great little spatula, and it comes in the set as well. And then the other thing you're going to get are 4 recipe cards that will start your little baker off, so that they have some step-by-step, simple to follow directions. With your help, they'll be a success at baking in no time. So that's the kids, let me get the official name, the kids cookie baking set, and it gives you everything they need to start, and it can be their sense of ownership to have their own utensils in the kitchen.